Hey creatives, welcome to Everyday DIY and Crafts. I'm going to show you how I make my own stickers at home without sticker paper. All you need is some printed designs, or you can draw them, clear packing tape, baking paper, and scissors. First, we're going to laminate our designs using clear packing tape. Just place the tape carefully over the printed sheet. Try to smooth it down slowly so you don't get too many air bubbles. This layer will protect the design and give it that glossy sticker look. Now I'm cutting around each design carefully. Next, place it onto baking paper. The baking paper acts like the backing of real sticker sheets. It prevents the tape from sticking permanently. Now we're laminating one more time. Add another layer of clear packing tape. Make sure the sticky side is touching the baking paper smoothly. Press it down gently and smooth it out again. Cut carefully around each design, but leave about 2 millimeters of clear border around the edge. That little transparent border will make your sticker stick. And once you finish cutting, your stickers are ready to peel and stick. Simple, affordable, and honestly so relaxing to make. I love using these in my journal or notebooks. They add such a cute, personal touch. If you enjoyed crafting with me today, you can subscribe for more cute DIY ideas. And let me know in the comments, would you try this? Thank you for spending this little creative moment with me. I'll see you in the next cozy craft.